This is how to use the Flexball wireless remote. To take command with the Flexball wireless remote, first you need to use the E-stop, the emergency stop on the top. Rotate it anti-clockwise until the green line is visible on the top. Then you have a power button here. You hold down the power button for 1 second until the TX light, green light comes on. When you see it flashing rapidly like this, it means that it is ready to receive a signal. What you then do is on the power button, you double click. You can hear a beep from the receiver on board the vessel, and you will see that the light becomes solid. The next thing to do is to take command on this station rather than the standard helm station. To do that, hold down the command button until the red lights become active. This is now an active and operational station, and movement of the forward and the reverse on either engine will actually move the vessel, as well as bow thruster, stern thruster if fitted, and anchor winch. When you've finished using the station, it's as simple as pushing down the E-stop, and now the command has been taken away from this station, so you can take command on the actual station at the helm. I'm Josh from THT. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.